If you've ever set big goals only to feel stuck, overwhelmed, or totally unmotivated a few weeks later, trust me, you're not alone. Most goal setting advice sets us up for failure, focusing too much on huge outcomes instead of small daily actions. But there's a better way. Today, I'm going to show you a goal setting system that may work a lot better for you. One that helps you build momentum, stay consistent, and finally make real progress. Let's go. So why does traditional goal setting fail? Most people set big, vague goals with no clear action plan. They focus on the outcome, like I want to lose weight or I want to save money, instead of the process, like walking 10K steps daily or tracking expenses. And the pressure of achieving big goals leads to procrastination and burnout. So, what do we do instead? The solution is the direction over destination method. That's why I follow Zig Ziglar's Wheel of Life approach, because life isn't one-dimensional. We need balance across 7 key areas to make real progress. Those 7 key areas of life include personal or mental growth, health and fitness, spirituality, family and relationships, finances, career and business, and social and recreation. So instead of setting rigid goals, I use a mix of SMART goals. That is specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound, along with Ali Abdaal's nice goal-setting framework that focus on short-term, achievable goals that are fun and energizing. NICE stands for near term, that is goals that can be accomplished with a short time frame. Input based, that's goals that focus on the effort put into a task rather than the outcome. Make sure it's controllable, that is goals that are within your control. And energizing, goals that are motivating and impactful. Let me show you exactly how I set up my monthly goals in a way that is working so much better than my previous goal sessions. So for mental growth, I want to read my book Let Them Theory by Mel Robbins for a minimum of 10 minutes each morning. For my health and fitness, I want to walk on my walking pad twice a day, so one for 20 minutes in the morning and then 30 minutes later in the afternoon to get my 10K steps each day. For spirituality, I'm going to meditate daily using my Headspace app guided meditation for about 10 to 15 minutes each day. For my family and home key area of focus, I want to declutter our small apartment for 10 to 15 minutes each day, setting the timer on and just cleaning one section at a time. For finances, I want to track my weekly sales and put daily strategies on how I can grow our revenue. For the career and business key area of focus, I want to film one YouTube or one podcast per week, plus batch content create. And finally, for my social and recreation key area of focus, I want to reach out to family and friends either through DM, calling them, or FaceTime, and schedule a date night with my sons and my husband. Now just imagine if you focused on just one small step in each area every day, how much progress you can make by next month. Now, does this method feel like a game changer and something that you can do yourself? If so, hit like if you're ready to try it. And make sure to subscribe for more content on planning and goal setting that actually works. And I need your help here. Comment below what's one small habit you're committing to this month. I'd love to support you. Now, my Wheel of Life Planner printable is part of the Ultimate Planner Bundle printable download that you can grab by clicking the shop button below. Now, if you haven't yet reviewed your goals from the previous month, watch this goal reflection video right now. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.